Hey guys, this is Mithrandal Plays, and today we're looking at the new Nerf, I guess, blasters as of today, which is February 13th, 2016. Here we have the Alien Menace series. The official description is, essentially Nerf Nation will be ready for the zombie invasion. There are two blasters, the Incisor, which is semi-automatic, and has 16 dart rotating drum, and the Ravager, which has its pump action like the Rampage, and it has I don't even know how many there. Double Dealer has two 10 dart clips, which feed into it like a Rampage, and then it's pump action. And essentially it's a shotgun because two at a time. Persuader is a pretty simple hammer shot style pistol. Desolator. This is semi-automatic 10 round banana mag thing in the impact zone, which is a sub-series of Doomlance 2169. And then the long arm is like a strong arm. I guess that's the simplest way to say it. And then there's End Strike, Bow Strike, and Glow Shot. These are all both released, and you can buy them right now. And this one has a cool deploy mechanism when you prime it, and this one just glows, obviously. Dual Strike. You can shoot three at once, or no, you can shoot Mega Darts and Elites at the same time. You might have seen it in my last target check video. And then the Hyperfire, that's probably gonna be one of the best this year, because it has it can shoot 5 darts at once, and that's pretty cool. It's fastest yet. Here we have the Pocket Strike, which is like another jolt in a weird form, probably gonna be uncomfortable. It's pretty cheap. Stratabow, okay, price. I think the price tag is good on that one. It has like a Mag Strike style 15 round clip thing. And then here they have the Lightning Bow. You can get these in stores right now. And you just load a Mega Dart in there and then fire. Pull out the string to fire. And it has dart storages that clip on there. Mastodon, 24 dart rotating drum, semi-automatic with a like a holding thing, and it comes with a shoulder strap and 24 Mega Darts. God, not letting me move down. Whatever. Okay. Battle Scout ICS-10. That it has a camera on the top, and it has an integrated clip. It comes with 10 modular starts. Close Combat Upgrade Kit. It has Bayonet and some stunners, which are essentially socks from HVZ. Ion Fire, Breach Fed, Single Shot Blaster, Recon Mark II, another Retaliator, Tri-Strike. This is the one I'm most excited for out of all of these. 10 dart straight mag, hemp style 4 dart mega dart launcher thing, and a stock which attaches to a missile launcher on the top. And the missile launcher and stock and stuff are you can take them all off and use them on other blasters. Corner sight, shoot around corners like a sneak scope, and then epee action bow, essentially the lightning bow. Flip side bow, that looks pretty cool. And I think you can justify $25 price tag. Illuminati, you've seen this in one of my video. Pretty cheap, and it's like a triple shot. Platinum bow, I don't know what it can do to justify that price. $60 US. It has bow action, of course. It looks like a real bow. Well, the most any Rebel has come to it. Triology, $7, same as a Triad. And it essentially is just a pink and blue Triad. Here, wing speed. You just pull the string back and then launch arrows. It has normal Rebel arrows. Atlas XVI 1200. That's a shotgun with two 12-round magazines. Battle case refill. It just comes with I don't know, like 40 rounds and 20 in each. Chaos MXVI 4000. Yeah, that has 440 rounds in there. In that mag, and it's huge, and it can fire really, really fast. Essentially, amped up rapid strike. It's fully automatic. Brainsaw is like a crosscut, amped up crosscut. I think you haven't seen that in the video, but I did find it, and you can get that right now. They both have spinning foam blades. Silent Strike It's a blowpipe. And then these stupid super soakers I don't care about. Sorry. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all later. Bye!